Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Infiniti QX60. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need about 5.1 quarts of new synthetic oil, a new oil filter, a 14mm socket, an oil filter wrench, and an oil drain pan with at least 5 liters capacity. Warm up your engine for about 3 to 5 minutes, then safely raise your vehicle using ramps or jack stands. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, position your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using a 14mm socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out immediately. Let all the old oil drain completely, which usually takes several minutes. Once drained, locate the oil filter, often behind the passenger side front wheel, and remove it with an oil filter wrench. Before installing your new oil filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket for a proper seal. Screw on the new filter by hand, then tighten it to 24 Newton meters using your wrench. Next, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 30 Newton meters. Finally, using a funnel, carefully pour about 5.1 quarts of the recommended synthetic oil into your engine. After adding the new oil, replace the filler cap and run your engine for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine and wait about 10 minutes for the oil to settle back into the pan. Then, check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Top up if needed. Lastly, reset your Infiniti QX60 oil maintenance reminder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.